Hello, I have a book review for you today on Amazing Birds Adult Coloring Book by Tali Carmi. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound, and this is the back of the book. The book dimensions are 8.5 by 11, A4. There are 30 coloring pages. The paper is medium weight. All of the illustrations are single-sided. The pages are non-perforated but can easily be removed with an X-Acto knife. Your marker levers can slip in an extra sheet so you don't have to worry about bleed through. There's an interesting fact about each one of the birds that are in this book. So you have the opportunity to not only color, but learn. And there you have it, Amazing Birds Adult Coloring Book by Tali Carmi.